I greet you and I welcome to the Guardian of Destiny Restoration. I'm Dr. Lawrence, and I have taken my time to really, run away from being a guardian to anyone. It's been a while that I've gone through the spiritual activities of this world myself with so many challenges and trying time, and I've really never felt I would be of help to anyone in any way. I felt those things I was going through them because I was just going through life because that's life. But I never knew that there's more to life, and if you want to understand it, you have to experience it. And it is the experience that helps you to understand what you really want. So, here, you're welcome to the Guardian of Destiny Restoration, where you learn how to do your own things. You know how to overcome so many obstacles and challenges your way. And you stay afloat with the purpose you came to the world with, your destiny, your real purpose. This is not some shamble, time wasting, money seeking. No, it's very open and it's free, and it's building of a family. Restore your life, restore your purpose in life, and know why you're here. Understand the mysteries in your life, and be able to stand up for you as you without anybody manipulating you or people, really directing you into the path you're not supposed to be going and causing you mayhem or misleading you in any form, in any way. So that is what this group is all about. So I'm destined by God to be a guardian to many. Some call me counselor, but I know that I do more than counseling. So it's not been easy. Few people have get opportunity to get to be on the board to their restoration, and I've seen a lot of people restored, and just something simple that they have no idea about. They have wasted so many times of period of their life, and now it's become a big challenge. But I know without these challenges, some of us will not attain to want to know how to stand and fight in this world we stand, and then stand firm. We will always follow, and that's it. So this group encourages you to be anything. If you like, you be a pastor. If you like, you be an imam. We're not interested in what your religion is. Religion is your own belief. It's your